In this video, I will show you how you can fade in and fade out using Filmora 9. Welcome to the computer. For this fade to work, we just grab these two clips and we stretch them a little bit further away from that. And we grab one of these and we just do ripple delete. And then in the end, we put one more. Just like that, we are going to end with two of those. Then we go to transitions and we go to basic. As you can see, there's all here, all of my transitions, but we go to basic and then we just grab a basic fade. Now, I like to maybe go to even 2.5 seconds just for the effect. 2.5 seconds, there we go. And then all we do for now is we trim this to where that starts. Just like so, it'll come back immediately and we press the render button. Okay, render is complete. Now let's check how this looks. Okay, so as you can tell, it takes a while before it starts. So after you export it, you have to trim it. Just trim it a little bit. I'll teach you guys how to do that later. And then just for the fun of it, we can add a fade between these two. And again, one more fade right there. And then all you do again is trim that. That's all we do for the trimming. So yeah, okay, once it's rendered, then here you go. Let's go check this out. And there you go. That's how easy it is. Now we can also add a little bit of audio to really sell this effect. Now this one comes from the Halloween pack that you can get on FilmSocks for free. I really like this one, but I like to reverse this one just because it sounds better. So all we do is we go to timing and we press reverse, and then all we do is we trim it. Oh, not that side. We trim it from this side a little bit more, basically until the high point really reached that. And now let's listen to this. And then for this other one, we can go to sound effects, if I can find my sound effects right there. And then we go to the transition. Transition swoosh. Yep, that's the one. And again, we make sure that the high hit there. See, works very nicely. Okay, so we use the atomic bomb on normal speed and we just trim it until our liking. For example, we can just do that so it fades in. And then we make it fade in a little bit more and like way more lower. Something like that, and we just dial that down to like something like that, not too much. And let's listen to this one more time. There we go. Now we press the export button, so I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. Right now we have this video here, so all we can do is delete the whole timeline now, just like so, and we add this one into the timeline, and we look at again the footage. Okay, it's rendered now, so right now we look at the point where it starts and a little bit before that. So yeah, we want to kind of start it right when it goes up really fast, so right there. So all you do is boom, that's it. Now let's listen to this again. You can do a little bit of that. And that's it. I like it.
And if you want to know something about Filmora, just feel free to press the red subscribe button. I record a video every week, and if you have a question, comment that down below and I'll try and make it happen. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video.